Welcome to Review Mobile, your trusted source for the latest smartphone insights. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy A7, a mid-range device that still garners attention for its design, features, and performance. Let's find out if this phone is still worth considering in 2025. Design and display. The Samsung Galaxy A7 stands out with its premium glass back, sleek metal frame, and a 6-inch Super AMOLED display. The screen delivers vibrant colors and deep blacks, offering a crisp Full HD Plus resolution that's great for media consumption. Its slim and lightweight design makes it comfortable to hold and use. Performance and hardware. Powered by the Exynos 7885 octa-core processor, the Galaxy A7 provides a smooth experience for everyday tasks. It comes with 4GB or 6GB of RAM and 64GB or 128GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD. While it's not a gaming powerhouse, it handles multitasking and casual apps well. Triple camera setup. One of the key highlights of the Galaxy A7 is its triple rear camera setup, featuring a 24MP main sensor, 8MP ultra-wide, and a 5MP depth sensor. This was Samsung's first mid-range phone to offer a triple camera, delivering decent shots in good lighting and impressive wide-angle photography for its class. Battery life and software. Equipped with a 3300 mAh battery, the Galaxy A7 easily lasts a full day on moderate use. It runs on Samsung's Experience UI, based on Android, offering a clean interface with useful features like Bixby, Samsung Pay, and Secure Folder. Software updates, however, may be limited as this is an older model. Final verdict. The Samsung Galaxy A7 is a solid choice for users seeking a stylish phone with a good AMOLED display and capable cameras. While it may not match today's performance standards, it still offers excellent value for those prioritizing design and display over raw power. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning into Review Mobile. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest and practical smartphone reviews. See you in the next video. Let me know if you want this script tailored for a short or a longer version.